Hola everybody! So I may have decided to go a bit crazy this week and dye my hair purple. I'm kind of feeling the Mal vibes, if anyone's seen Descendants. So I actually quite like it. It's only going to last 5 washes, but the last time I used a semi-permanent dye that said it's 5 washes to get out, it actually lasted a few months, so I'm not sure how long this is going to last, but we'll see. But I quite like it, it's quite funky. So has anybody else dyed their hair random colours just because they can? It'd be great to see your outcomes of your hair if you have decided to do it yourself in quarantine. Good and the bad. I've seen many bad. I almost cut my fringe as well. Now that would have been disastrous, but I think it's pretty good for a first time. I've never actually dyed my own hair before, but I don't see patches. I was gonna make churros. Now, we did actually make churros, but they were a complete disaster. Instead, I've decided to make a cute little dream catcher. You're gonna need a hoop. I've got an embroidery hoop. I had loads of these, so I've just picked one that I've got the same size as. I've got some yarns. Again, just had tons of them that I needed to use, and just ribbons and things, whatever you can get hold of. I'm going to cover my hoop. You can keep yours wooden, but I'm going to cover it just because I think I'm going to go for a cute pink vibe. Can you tell I like pink and purple? I'm just going to plug my glue gun in. We know how much fun that was last time, but I came prepared so it won't ruin the table. I've got some cardboard. I'm going to use this pink ribbon to cover my hoop. I'm going to gradually put a bit of glue on it, take the ribbon and just wrap it around. By the way guys, you don't have to use an embroidery hoop if you don't have one. You could get some wire and glue it together, anything that you've got that's similar to this. I forgot how annoying glue guns are. Yeah. How could I? It was only last week. Right. This is going to take quite a long time if you have a big hoop, so make sure you've got a lot of time on your hands. And again, everyone's got a lot of time on their hands right now, haven't they? Oh dear. Oh, to let you know, I actually found myself a job. So I'm going to be a support worker. I don't know when I start yet. I'm just waiting for stuff to get back, but get to be out there and help some people, which is going to be great. My glue gun keeps leaking. Is that normal? Oh, we're halfway there. It's gone all curly whirly. Oh look, it's like a pretty rose. I might actually glue that on there because it's quite cute. It's very therapeutic. Oh, now it starts to untangle near the end. Oh, brilliant. Now, I'm finally at the end. So you're just gonna cover that bit you started with the glue, and then wrap this piece over. Then just snip it underneath so nobody can see it. So just snip that off. I got myself a bit tangled. Hey, tangled. Anyone like that fam? Love it. Kind of feel like Rapunzel recently. She was quarantined in Corona. Fun fact. Oh, so I have got myself a pink hoop, and look, we have a rose. Next, you are going to get some wool or string or something like that. What do I have? That's the question. I might go for this. I've got some wool here. So I'm gonna mix that with some yellow, just to give it that bit of uniqueness. So what you're going to do is you're just going to tie a knot where you like on the hoop, and just snip off the end. So I've got a knot right here. I've put it by the rose. You'll then unravel your yarn. You are then not going to drop it on the floor. It's going to be a bit awkward with two, but you can do it. Going to put your yarns or whatever you're using through the hoop, put it round and through. I'm going to unravel loads of this yellow because I won't be able to put it through otherwise. It's like a mustardy yellow. So now I've got this. This one has a life of its own. Okay, where were we? So you've got your knot. You're going to put it over the hoop and put your yarns through what you've just done and pull, so you've got that. Now you're going to do that all the way round. Up to you how big, how small you make it. So we're then going to put it over and through. So you start to get a bit of a pattern till you get back to where you started. Over and through. Right, when you're back to where you started, you then start to go through what you've already done. So I'm going to go through there. So once you've gone through there, go inside the new one you've just made, through the outside, through your new loop, and pull. Now we're back to the beginning again, so just do what we did before. So go through this loop here, through your new loop, and adjust. Now keep doing this all the way around until you get to the middle. As soon as you get to a place you want to stop, just cut it off and tie another knot. So I'm left with this. Now it's your time to just decorate and have fun. I really want to make some pom-poms, so it's like Disney ears. I'm gonna go ahead and start to make those. So to make your pom-pom, you're gonna cut out 2 bits of card that are the same size, and you're gonna cut a hole in the middle. Sorry if you can't really hear me that well, it's actually chucking it down with rain. And we have a glass roof. You're then gonna take your yarn, whatever you're using, and you're gonna wrap it around through the middle, around the outside. Through the middle, around the outside. So you cut the outside where the 2 bits are, and then you grab another bit of yarn, put it in between the 2 bits of cardboard and tie a knot. So it's like this. Then you knot it. And then just pull the card off. And you have a pom-pom. Now to do the other one. So I've got 2 pom-poms now. I'm going to decide where I want them on my Dreamcatcher. And I'm just going to get another bit of yarn and tie it round to the pom-pom and then tie it onto the Dreamcatcher. So far I have this. I'm now going to get some ribbons and things and dangle it from the Dreamcatcher. So just tie a knot where you want it and just leave them hanging. I'm going to do it where I take it like this, fold it in half, wrap it round and pull it through. And you're going to top it off with just a bit of string to hang by. We have a Dreamcatcher, there we go. Thank you for watching everybody. Like and subscribe please to my page if you want to. And I'll be bringing another video out on Friday, next Friday. So I'll see you then. Bye guys.